So before I start the program, let me say that this program is for 2 days. Today 19th and 20th. 9:15 to 10 the timings, and here we are going to learn to do intraday trade in the equity, stock future, options in live market. This is very important. The live market, we are going to learn this using the one standard deviation concept. So this also I will be demonstrating with the help of one standard deviation software what we have, and many of you are the buyer of this software also. So little bit about the features of the softwares also I will tell you during the event. So today what about the counters we will analyze. Tomorrow we will see that how far our calculations has come true. How far our calculation has come true, that tomorrow we will experience. So today's analysis, how it will be performing by the day end, that I will be explaining tomorrow, and the timing of the event will be 9:15 to 10. And post the event, the video will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. In my YouTube channel, you can view that video. So you can cross verify how far analysis has come true. And before I go to the program, one small announcement. Our upcoming paid webinar, which is on the advanced Fibonacci, Elliott and option course. So three concepts are being combined here: Fibonacci, Elliott and option. And Fibonacci, we are expecting that some of the advanced concept you will be learning. Elliott also some of the advanced concept I will be describing. And those who have little bit of basic skills on those methods, they can join. And this is what is the different Elliott patterns you will be learning, and different hedging concepts like pair trade, like how to form zero loss strategies. And during we are having the result season next month starting, so that time which kind of option strategy will be suitable for you. So all those things we are going to learn in that event, and it will be a 4 days event, and each day we will be having 2 hours, 1 hour in English, another hour in Hindi. Saturday and Sunday, 5th and 6th October, 12th and 13th October. So all 4 days are falling on Saturdays and Sundays. 9 to 10, the English session will be there, and same subject will be repeated in Hindi, 11 to 12. So this is what the program structure is. If you are interested, you can register for this program. And this program will be learning Fibonacci, Elliott and option hedging techniques. These three things will be explained. 5 to 10 minutes of time we require for the price to stabilize, because this system of one standard deviation software, it works on the real-time volatility. So it requires some minimum data points. If you give 5-minute times also, it is enough. But I will say that you just give here to 10 to 15-minute time, so that let the price to stabilize. That will be giving you a good result. So now come to this particular software. Many of you are having this software. So here, what are the segments you can able to work in this software? The first thing. So here you can able to work in the equity, stock future, index future, currency future. So all these segments are coming here. So for commodity, we have given a separate tab here. So you can see in the top, we have given a separate tab here on for commodity. For options, we have given 2 more tabs here. One is for option monthly, to trade it with the option monthly contract, another for the option weekly contract. So these two also we have given separately. And we have given an option scanner, so stock scanner also. So option scanner we have given which are the strikes suitable for trading in the options on that particular day. So now coming to, there are 2 other features, like if you want to choose for intraday trade, you have to select the intraday options. if you want to do the positional trade, then this particular button you have to tick. So here, based on your objective, you have to decide whether I am going to do intraday analysis or positional analysis. Segments you can choose from here. So now question comes, there are two other buttons here, native and web. So I want to do this ICICI, again I want to do for SBI, again I want to do for Infosys. All things if I want to save it on the, because anyway it will be saved in the cloud. However, if I just want that my analysis should available in the screen, then I can just select the web option. So all your analysis will open in a web browser. Suppose if you want SBI, ICICI, HDFC Bank, all 5 studies should be available in your web browser. Then you select the web option. Native option, only one analysis you will be seeing here. And once the second analysis is done, then the first analysis will be erased. It will not be there on your screen. But you can able to retrieve it from your previous analysis tab. However, if you want multiple analysis to present, then you can use the web option. So this is what the features of the software. Suppose if I want to do for ICICI and SBI, I'll just wait, select the web option, select the equity segment, and I am going for the Axis Bank. I'll load data, and once the data is loaded, I'll be going for calculate. So these calculations will open in a web browser. So this web browser will have all those calculations. Whatever in the desktop, you will be having the same thing, but it will be in a web browser. So here nothing you will get. So next, if I want the State Bank of India, so I can just go for the State Bank of India, load data, and I will go for the calculate button. So it will also open in a other web browser. So this will give you, if you want different tab to be open, then you can use this particular feature. This is particular feature. For wait for the, so State Bank of India and Axis both we have done. So whether we should buy, sell, or wait for specific price. So here majority of the users, those who are the user of this particular software, they are telling that we'll be waiting for the second cycle to come. Second cycle. So now it has come to specific level. We'll be waiting for 274. These are the swing trading's fine principles. One trend is penetrated, do not enter the trade. Trade, if you do with respect to compulsion, then trade will not give you any profit. 276.6 the price is now. Wait for 274.5 as your entry, short entry, or if the price is reverse back, then you try to buy at 282.80, 281.80. So this is your buy entry price with reference to the current price, and this will be your sell entry price. If you sell here 74.5, your stop loss will be 276.3, and if you are buying at 281.8, your stop loss should be 278.20. So this is what you should use for the State Bank of India equity. Currently 276.6. So nothing you can do now. So now coming to the next part. So next part, Axis also we have analyzed 644.25 Axis Bank. So Axis Bank is quoting at 643.75, 644 it is trading. So this is what the calculations we have derived. So can anyone will tell me what I should do now? 644 the Axis is trading now. I should buy, sell, or wait. Sell Axis Bank. So it is at the selling entry point. So our sell entry point, it is there. We can sell Axis Bank with a stop loss of 652.73, and our first target we will be keeping at 639, 636.75, and so on. So here question comes, if you are an equity trader and your position size, if you are using only 100 shares, 50 shares, no need of hedging. You cannot, because for a small value, you should not hedge also. But if your tick size is very high, if you are going for 2000 shares intraday, then hedging is a must, because you are entering here. Your stop loss point is 652.73 as per Fibonacci rule. So if it triggers, then the stop losses will be huge. So you have to do little bit of money management there. If your order size is one intraday size is some 3 to 5 lakhs worth of order you are entering, it is must that you should hedge it. Small sizes you may ignore, but when the trade size is bigger, more than 1 lakh, I will suggest you hedge it. So now question comes, if I am selling here, how I can hedge? Can anyone will suggest me? 644 I am selling. So how I can hedge it? I am selling this equity, bigger quantity, or future one lot I am selling. So how I should hedge it? Buying what? We should buy a call option or sell a put option also. So 650 call options we can choose. So we are selling, Venkatesh Sirodkar ji, we are selling the future. So selling the future should be hedged with the buying of call option or selling of put option. So this is selling a future means, so very simplest hedging technique is, when you sell a future, you buy a call option. You buy a call option. And when you are buying a future, you must buy a put option. Buy a put option. So this should be the rule. You can do any complex hedge also there. You can sell some options also. Nothing wrong in that. But the simplest hedge, if you are selling a future, you must buy a call option. Hedging is a good practice. It is associated with your life in every look and corner. Your bike is hedged with insurance. Your house is hedged with insurance. Your life is hedged with insurance. Then why not your trade? So why not your trade? Someone counts this way and judges that, yes, stop loss is 8 points, my fast target is 8 points. So what the person will do, he will not accept the analysis at all. He will dilute. So what they will dilute? The first victim of that dilution is stop loss. So what is the definition of stop loss? Where the price trend changes. स्टॉप लॉस का डेफिनेशन क्या है? जहां पे प्राइस का ट्रेंड बदलेगा. बट once you dilute the principle of stop loss, what definition you will give? Wherever I want, I will put the stop loss. मुझे जहां अच्छा लगे मैं वहीं पे स्टॉप लॉस लगाऊंगा, 2 पॉइंट के ऊपर लगा दूंगा. तो खुशी हुआ बहुत. So how to dilute? Very simple things. Definition को हटा दो. You remove the definition. Put your own definition for stop loss. Wherever I want, I will put. Means 2 point above I will put. 3 point above I will put. So that was the dilution of definition. Once that definition is diluted, nothing is left in the trade. You are no. Nifty I have analyzed. So now Nifty currently trading at 10,780. Suggest me what I should do. 10,780. 780 is my Nifty. Suggest me what I should do. As a trader, those who are using this software, at least those who are using this software, majority of the trader, they say wait for the Nifty to fall down to 10,747 to sell. In that time, my stop loss will be 773. If I sell in the second cycle, or wait for the Nifty to cross this 10,851. So this is what 851.6 or 52. So your buy entry as per this current price of reference is at 10,852. And sell entry will be at 10,747. Once you sell it here, keep your stop loss at 10,773, and once you buy here, keep your stop loss at 10,800. So this is what it says. So imagine a case. I got 746. Very carefully listen to this part. Many of you have asked this question. Second cycle you sold, say 10,746 came, 47 came, you sold it. And you also hedged it with that 10,750 call option. 750 call option, also you bought it. Now question comes. After some time, you are saying that the stop loss is got hit. What you should do here? 773 stop loss is got hit. So what you should do here? What you should do here? Second cycle we will enter. Very good. Entered perfectly. Stop loss is got hit. Next, what I should do? As a swing trader, what I should do here? Give your views so that I can understand. Reverse the trade. Ram Kumar ji is telling reverse the trade at 10,773 level. So here reverse the trade. So you have entered at 746, sold it, perfectly right. You hedged it, that is also perfectly right. It has not hit any of the target. 714 it has not come, reversed. So stop loss 773 got hit. Once the 773 is getting hit, you must reverse the trade here. Means you should buy the Nifty future along with the 10,750 put. 750 put. If the stop loss hits for the second cycle sell entry. Now question comes, where will be my targets? If I bought it at 773, then where will be my targets? That is very important. Very, very important. My first targets in this reversal will be 10,812 because I am reversing. So this makes somewhat, once the price become critical, you need to follow this. So 812. Next target will be 851. Since, and very next will be 863, 873, 883. So this is the logic you can follow. If your second cycle stop loss is getting hit, you need to follow this logic. Second cycle is 746, you sold it, hedged it, perfectly right. 773, if it is hit the stop loss, your second cycle sell entry hit the stop loss, you need to reverse the trade. Means the original trade what you have entered, you have to close it. You have to close the future sell which you have sold at 10,747 at loss. You have to book the profit in 10,750 call option. Now you have to buy here along with 10,750 put option. You have to reverse the trade. This is the swing trading principle. So when the swing penetrates, do not enter the trade. Second, after the second swing or third swing, after entering that, when the swing reverse back, so go in the favor of the swing. So that is the swing trading's two golden principles. 10,773 targets will be 10,812, and these are the. Where will be my stop loss? Can anyone will tell me? Where will be my stop loss? If 777, 774, 773 I am buying. My first sell trade has a stop loss. Second cycle I entered 773. So I entered here. What will be my stop loss? 10,734 will be your stop loss. So these things very carefully you understand. As a trader, you will experience any kind of situation. You may be at second cycle, you may be at third cycle. You can't say that always I will be at the first cycle. So now go to the Bank Nifty analysis. So Bank Nifty we have done the analysis. Bank Nifty we are going to do the analysis. Nifty we are not entering the trade now. It is at 785. If it doesn't give a chance, leave it off. There is no point in forcibly entering the trade. We can leave that day also. Nothing is going to happen. So if it doesn't give you a trend breakout as per your expectation on the standard deviation, better do not trade. So better do not trade. So we have now the calculations of the Bank Nifty I am doing here. Bank Nifty is at 26,938. It is very, very critical here to you answer me where I should buy in the Bank Nifty. What should be my stop loss? What will be my targets? For Bank Nifty, carefully look at the screen and tell me where I should buy, what will be my stop loss, and what will be my targets. Carefully look at the screen. $26,826. Now the Bank Nifty is at 26,960. 26,960 is the value. So 26,960, 26,960 is the value of the Bank Nifty currently trading. Just tell me, as per this reading, where I should buy, what will be your stop loss, and what will be your target. So now Bank Nifty, we have given a clear indication here. Buy and sell should be at 0.382 level, T1 level. So here, if you want to buy the Bank Nifty, you must buy at 27,058. Keep a stop loss of 26,818. Targets will be 27,132. Second will be 27,185. If you are buying here, you must hedge it with 27,000 put option purchase. So hedging means protection. Hedging means insurance. So you are entering a 5.5 lakhs worth of contract by purchasing the Bank Nifty. You are protecting this 5.5 lakhs contract with an 27,000 put, which is nothing but your 5 lakhs contract. So you are reducing your risk. You are managing your money. So now, if it gives you a breakout below 26,818, you should sell. Give a stop loss 27,058, and here too, your first target will be 26,744. Second will be 26,692, and so on. So this is what the targets will be, and you can hedge accordingly. So we have analyzed ICICI Bank, we have analyzed the Axis Bank, we have analyzed Nifty, we have analyzed the Bank Nifty. Now we go for some more equity analysis. Many equity traders are here. So some more equity analysis. Let us go through some more equity analysis. So which doesn't require, if you are a small ticket trader, you may not require hedging in this. So equity analysis. As I have put it in the screen here, SBI we have made it, Axis we have made it. So Axis we have analyzed, SBI we have analyzed. Now go for the HDFC Bank has given a stock split, so I am just leaving that counter. I am not going to analyze that one. Stock split is the day. Today there is a chance that there will be any errors in that. I'll be going for the ITC. I will be going for IOC. I will be going for the HDFC. So I'll be going for the first banking is there. So IndusInd Bank also you can go for that. IndusInd Bank gives a good result. So here I'll be going for the calculation of IndusInd Bank. So currently the IndusInd Bank at 1306 rupees, 1306.4. Note it down, 1310 you should buy. Keep a stop loss of 1296. Target will be 1318.50. So quickly we'll be analyzing that. IndusInd Bank I have taken. I'll be taking the ITC. I'll be taking. So I'll not take any user specific stocks. So I'll not take any user specific stock. If you say that for me analyze this thing, that I'm not going to take. So 237 is the ITC. So here, so 237.59, or you can say 237.60 you should buy. put at 236.57 as your stop loss, or sell at 236.80, put a stop loss of 237.80. So these are the targets. So ITC 237.15 now, 237.15. Wait for the 236.80 to sell, or wait for the 237.60 to buy. Currently, ITC is at 237.15. So this is what we have, 237.15. So 237.15 it is trading now. So there is no specific relationship to here. One very good question is, can be selective in market and say, give me a list of stock which is today going to give me the profit only, I'm not going to lose any money. So that is not possible in the market. That is not possible in the market. So Bank Nifty you have not entered into, Nifty you have not entered into, Axis you have entered 44 level, you have gone till 41.40, still it is in the level of this thing. SBI you have not entered into, it has not given you the second cycle entry. IndusInd Bank analyzed 1309 or 1296 you are waiting for. ITC 237.15 you are waiting for 236.80 or 237.60. So this is what you are waiting for. So I am taking these 3-digit stocks so that it will be great for making the money. So here Escorts is there, and many other things. Adani Port also there, Escorts is there, also Cleland also there. So auto stocks, let me take something. Escorts, let me take Escorts. Let me take Escorts. So bankings, I have taken lot of counters. So Escorts, so 521 and 511, 511 and 521 is the value. So 511.80, if it is coming, then you can 511 you sell Escort. Now it is 511 rupees and odd it is trading. So 511 rupees, Escort 510 it has come now. So 510 it has given you the sell entry now. So it was 510.95. So the moment we analyze it was trading at this level, we can sell Escorts now for a target of 503. So correct, when we analyze it was at 511 level. So this is for the Escorts. Great volatility is there, huge volatility, 21 rupees of price oscillations expected for the day. So it was a great money it is involved. So be careful with this particular stock also. It is involving a huge amount of volatility. It has 500 worth of stocks having a 21 rupees of oscillation expectation per day. It is considered as a huge money. So now I am going for HDFC also I can go for. So Nifty, Bank Nifty we have not entered into. HDFC I can go for. HDFC Bank I am not considering because it has gone for the stock split today. So I do not want to enter into the stock split stocks. So let me wait for the values. So here, so HDFC I have gone for this calculation, and HDFC not, so 192,993 rupees trading, 1,993, 1993 level it is trading. Now 95 level I can buy, keep 1,982 as a stop loss. These are my targets currently at 1,993 level. So this all I am showing in a cash market. Cash market means what? Equity market. Cash market is not metal counter also. Let me take for Tata Steel. Two stake stocks also you can take. Tata Steel, let me take, and VDL also let me take. All equities I am taking. So, 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 so this is the equity, Tata Steel equity is taken. So we'll add the Tata Steel also. Tata Steel, we can add into the screen Tata Steel. Tata Steel we are analyzing. So Tata Steel we are analyzing. So it is at 350 rupees and 70 paisa, 350 rupees and 70 paisa, 350 rupees and 70 paisa it is now. So neither in the buy trend nor in the sell trend will be selling below 49, will be buying above 354. So this is for Tata Steel. Check for VEDL also. VEDL also let us take. So these are the 3-digit stocks, metal counter stocks. So we have taken couple of counter for banking. We have one counter we have taken for auto. We have, let me take two for VEDL also, let me take. So VEDL also we have taken it here. We can add VEDL also here. VEDL. So VEDL we can add. Nifty we have not entered, and Bank Nifty also not entered. So this is the level we have now, and here VDL 148.10, 148 rupees and 10 paisa. It is 148 rupees and 10 paisa. 148 rupees and 10 paisa. Currently it is trading. So have a look. So 48.10 you can still sell it having a stop loss of 150. These are your targets because you are just cross the sell entry. So you can still sell the VDL at this point of time. So this session is recorded at what time you are analyzing, this also recorded. Tomorrow I will be demonstrating out of all these counters, how many counters have given you the success. Now go for the option scanner. This is one of the best tool to do intraday options. Best to do intraday options. So I am just loading the data. Index future, all data I am going to load. All option data it is going to be loaded. So here I am going for a call options between. So I am going for strikes, or I can go for these options. Call options to buy in off trend. Analyze. So these 3 strikes it is coming. Off trend, if it comes, then I will buy. Very carefully listen to this. Many of you are the buyer of this option too. This says Nifty spot level. So here this spot level is being used. All are the underlying price is spot level. We have mentioned here. Whenever the Nifty spot goes above 10,796, these 5 strikes are eligible. Currently they are quoting at 85, 62, 43, 29 and 20. So if you want to buy these options, you must buy at 92.65, keep a stop loss of 75. Your first target will be 98, 103, 108, 116. So this is the thing. Nifty spot, once it goes to 10,796, you can buy. Imagine a case. Nifty spot has gone to 10,796, but this has not come to 92. It is quoting at 91. What you should do? You can still buy. You can still buy. No issues at all. Spot gone to 796, but this is coming to 91. You can still buy. However, spot goes to 10,796 or 790. Spot has not come to 10,796, but this has come to 93. 5 to 6 points below the spot has reached the buy entry level. This is quoting at 93 level. You should not enter. Very carefully listen to this. Should not enter. Wait for that spot to give you a breakout, because the options values what you are seeing now, that is just increased because of the IV increment. IV has increased, that's why it is floating at 93. Wait for the underlying assets to give you the breakout, then you enter. So the conclusion, you need to wait for the underlying asset price to give you the trend breakout. Then you enter the option prices. So that is what I wish to convey. So here, if you want to buy the call options in the uptrend, so now go for the put options. So same. So put options to buy in the downtrend, analyze. So this also will give you the sell entry 10,801, and this is the so sell entry prices 756. You buy the put options when the Nifty spot will go to 10,756, and these are the 5-6 strikes is recommended. And if you want to hit it, means if that after buying a put option, if the Nifty spot goes to 10,802, you book a loss and come out. So this is what it is there. So conclusion is, when the underlying asset will give you a trend breakout, that time you can enter. So you are with the put options. So put options you will buy when the underlying asset will go for the 10,756 level. 756 level, that time you should buy the put options based on the current situation, now situations. So based on the current situation, it also has different other things also we have given here. Strikes to buy between buy entry and targets. Suggest me the option strike which is going to fall between the today's buy entry and target. These two strikes only, call options. So if you want to buy this call option, the spot must cross 10,796. If you want to buy the put options, so strike between the sell entry and targets, this also you can take it here. So here spot must fall below 10,756, then you can buy a put option. So this also is being recorded. Tomorrow we are going to see how far our calculation has come to. So how far our calculation has come to, that tomorrow we are going to see it tomorrow. So here we have just entered the axis. Axis was very early analysis we have done. So we would have given us some time. That is also I have taken SBI and axis just to demonstrate that yes, IndusInd Bank has given you the downtrend breakout. IndusInd Bank in between has given you downtrend breakout. Tata Steel given by downtrend breakout. VDL given downtrend breakout. Escorts also has given you the downtrend breakout you have entered into, and Escorts we are going to see that. And Nifty and Bank Nifty we are waiting for. So Nifty and Bank Nifty we are waiting for. Commodity market has not opened. He used to ask me whether this particular method worked for commodity. Many used to ask me, does commodity has a different formula for MACD, RSI, MACD, RSI, all these things having a different formula for commodity? Commodity doesn't have a different formula for calculation of those things. All because your system or any technical analysis software doesn't understand that this is VDL price or this is Tata Steel price or this is gold price or some other price. They understand only one logic, that is your number, the price at which you are taking, what are the data you are taking, that is only they are taking. They are not understanding it is Nifty, I will do something different way. If it is gold, I will do in this different formula I will use. It is not like that. So think in that broad perspective view. So this is what you have. This is what you have seen today. You have seen that these are the stocks we have analyzed. Day end, I am seeing that how far we have succeeded. IndusInd Bank, you have sold. So wait for that target to happen. Escort being sold. Wait for the target to happen. Tata Steel being sold. VDL being sold. Nifty and Bank Nifty, no trade is being entered. HDFC, not in this thing. Company to demonstrate our software in live market. Today you have seen the analysis. See tomorrow morning when I have I have a program tomorrow. This is a 2 days event. Tomorrow I am going to show that how many counters it has worked, how many counters it has not worked. Timing is also recorded. What time this particular analysis is being done. So we cannot skip that yes, high has come and low has come. That time also is being recorded here. So day end, the reports I will prepare. Tomorrow I will demonstrate how far it has come. Then you decide to whether this software is a worthwhile tool or not. This particular software costs you 5,500 plus tax, 6490 per year. 6490 per year. Wait for today's analysis, wait for tomorrow's analysis, then you decide. So this is what the software and its usage is. And again I will tell you that wait for tomorrow, then you decide on taking this product. And here too also, I have in the beginning part I have announced we have scheduled the upcoming webinar on Fibonacci, Elliott and option course, which is going to happen 4 days, 5th, 6th, 12th and 13th October. English session 9 to 10, Hindi 11 to 12. Many advanced topics will be discussed here. If you are interested, please do join for this program.